Powering through highways, navigating rugged terrains, trucks are the lifeblood of commerce. But what happens when they break down? That's where TruckHelps.com steps in. Connecting truck owners with reputable, skilled repair shops, we ensure that America's freight keeps moving. We are more than a directory. We are a beacon for truck owners in need, guiding them to your repair shop. From semi-truck repairs to specialized services like reefer trailer fixes or axle replacements, we help you showcase your expertise. With TruckHelps.com, you gain more than customers. You gain visibility, attracting those in your area who require your services. We are proactive, generating leads through targeted advertising, comprehensive directory listings, and informative content marketing, all designed to position you as a trusted advisor in the trucking industry. But we don't stop there. We believe in fostering relationships. We believe in providing excellent service, competitive rates, and prompt follow-up. So keep your shop bustling, keep America's trucks rolling. With TruckHelps.com, you're not just repairing trucks, you're driving commerce. Because when trucks move, America moves. Join us and let's keep America rolling, one truck repair at a time.